Hello, this type of photos are very popular on social media in these days. How to make Ghibli style photo using AI. So let me tell you how you can do this. So open your Twitter account and go to the Grok. And here you need to click on the edit image. Select your photo and type this prompt and just simply enter and wait. In a few seconds, your photo will be in a Ghibli style. Here you can see the Virat Kohli picture is transformed into Ghibli style photo using AI Grok with Twitter. And similarly go to the chat GPT and upload your picture and give the same prompt to the chat GPT, and then your picture will be transformed into Ghibli style photo. So this is very simple and very easy. These kind of photos are very popular on social media these days. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.